Hello guys, so today I will be learning how to change the units. So right now there is one way that we can do is like first of all when we enter the new model itself we can change the like we can do the required units, like we can change the required units. For example, right now here I can give it English or metrics. But if you are inside the model right now, if you want to change the units, you can come here and here there is English, so you can change this out, and from this you can change this, or you can go with the custom. If you want meters and kilometers, you can just do this. But maybe example, sometimes what happens is in the structural wizard, if you want to change the units, you have to come here and you need to do this and change the units in here. So this is one way. And the other one, if you want to change the units, is by this. Here by force units, if you want to change it to like a kilogram or something like that, force units, or if you want to keep it in kilometer, you can keep it. And here also it is the same. If you want to change the stress to maybe kPa, MPa or something like that, you can do that. And section units, or you can change it here. Structural units also you can change it here. So annotation also you can change it. So this is how we do it.